There are 4 credit bureaus active in India: TransUnion CIBIL, Equifax, Experian, and CRIF Highmark. Lenders like banks and NBFCs send your credit information to all the credit bureaus, and each credit bureau has their own algorithm which they use to calculate your credit score. While TransUnion and Equifax have a score range of 300 to 850, credit scores issued by Experian and CRIF Highmark are in the range of 300 to 900. Although some of them have been active in the country earlier than others, all of them were given the license to operate as credit bureaus only in 2010. Every citizen has the right to avail one free credit report every year from each of the agencies. However, availing your score and report a second time will be paid, with fees in the range of 400 to 600 rupees. While they are all primarily credit bureaus, their credentials as reliable data providers in the realm of finance also allows them to provide other services such as fraud prevention, business management, and data analytics. Need to take a look at your Equifax credit score?
Well, all you need to do is sign up at the MyMoneyKarma website. We provide free access to your credit score, your detailed credit report, and personalized advice on how your credit can be improved. Moreover, checking your credit score with MyMoneyKarma is a soft inquiry, meaning it does not have any impact on your credit score. You can get started right away by following the link below.